kind of grandiose introduction really well for a character. Shoot a gun, it feels like it has.
It has to be, you know.
There are other games like that. I played the Modern Warfare beta earlier today too. Each one of those guns feels you have, and you know, multiple ways that you can fire them all.
Like a shield deploys and like the opens up on reload and all that stuff. Yeah,
that stuff is super dope. Like I love those parts of it, but they don't feel. Doesn't feel great. So that's my only complaint so far.
Yeah, I would agree with that. The guns, and I wonder if it is. It's like they look so good and are so interesting that they don't pack enough of a punch to match the complexity of their design. Like, there are so many guns in this game. And yes, some are just like common pistol, rare pistol, and the really only difference are the numbers. But also, most of the things you pick up, there are enough that look very different and also have different stats and different numbers that fly off of people, which is really cool. And I do wonder if that makes it, there's not enough weight to them because there are so many. They couldn't spend the time differentiating between them. Like the way a needler feels, even in Halo, is so different than a BR, than a pistol. And in here, except for the number coming off, I'm even like a 8-barreled shotgun, you know, 1 barrel per lens on my iPhone. That's the type of thing that I feel like I should shoot, and especially in this type of game, I should then land on my butt, you know, like a cartoon, like or whatever it is.
Yeah, and there's not enough kick on any of the guns that you shoot.
Yeah,
and it's a very small thing, but it is a very like visceral thing that